Hi, Amber Benson here from Simple Trading Rules. And today I want to talk a little bit about options, why you would want to trade an option, and how you would learn to trade options if you wanted to trade options. So the first is, why trade options? One of the good reasons is we recently introduced the Oracle on Wilshire, which sends out trading signals via email several times a week. And we often use options trading the Oracle trades. We've had a lot of questions about using options with the Oracle trades. So if you're a subscriber to the Oracle or are thinking of subscribing, you might like to know more about options. So why trade options? One of the reasons is you can increase your leverage. Very simplistically, you could invest in, say, $7,000 worth of stock for only $300, which is really nice if you don't have a huge trading account. Another really nice thing about options is you can limit your risk. The most you can lose is the price of the option. So that's another, especially if you're using leverage, it's really nice to be able to reduce your risk. Another reason you might want to trade options is you can profit in a sideways market. You can use spreads or straddles, for example. And even though the price is not really going up or going down much, you can end up making some money. So what are the drawbacks to trading options? There's lower liquidity in options than in the stock itself, often. Sometimes it's higher commissions. You have time decay, so you have to pay attention to that. And options are not available. Not all stocks have options available for them. But, the main reason that there's a drawback to trading options is it's complicated. You need to know about calls and puts. You need to know what a strike price is. You need to know the Greeks, delta, gamma, theta, and vega. You need to know what's an options book, and so much more. So what is the solution to all this complication? It's to learn, right? You need an effective, caring mentor who is making a complicated subject simple. Maybe you need online courses. Maybe you'd prefer in-person events. Maybe you need some coaching. So I want to talk to you a little bit about Options University, a review, you might say. They offer options training. They talk about options strategies. They talk about safer investing. They discuss the issues around leverage without the risk. It's owned by Courtney Smith, and I've known Courtney for years. He's knowledgeable, he's experienced, he makes a lot of money trading, he's friendly, he's funny, and he has a lot of integrity, so I really trust this guy. The CEO of Options University is Steve Sieminski, whom I've never met, but I want to give you a quote from someone who was one of their students. Steve Sieminski is not only a brilliant options strategist, but also a very effective and caring instructor who not only does what it takes to make the lesson clear, but also makes learning fun. Options are a very challenging and complex investment, and Steve not only makes it simple, but also shares specific trades he is using to make money, which has helped me pay for the course, and this was Bonnie, who took the course a couple years ago. Options University has a bunch of different courses. They have online, they have in-person, they have coaching, as I said before, and you can choose the level that applies to you. So I just want to show you the Options University page showing their full range of online classes. Options Academy Starter, and down here there's beginner options trading. So for people who don't know anything about options, these are two really good ones. Options Academy Complete, that goes on to some more advanced topics. And of course, they're all various different prices. I like this one, the all new Retire Rich classes. Who doesn't want to retire rich? So you have your choice here of a number of different classes that would work out well for you. If you're brand new, I really do recommend the Options Academy Starter. And if you know a little bit about options and maybe have traded some, then the Options Academy Complete is really a good way to get going here. So there are a number of courses with great instructors. We want to know what are the drawbacks to Options University. And it isn't the instructors. They're caring, they're full of integrity, they really want you to learn to trade options. They want you to trade options profitably and are standing on their heads to try to get the information to you. The drawback is you got to spend some dollars for a course, and you have to spend some time to learn. It's a complicated subject, so go with the folks that know how to make it simple, but spend a little time with it. You have to want to learn options. So I'm going to close with a quote again from another student. I'm just thrilled beyond myself about the CELG trade using the boing boing technique that you talked about at the last options boot camp. I entered it in my own account during the class, and I was thrilled to open my account today and see a gain of well over $2,000 in just a few days with very little money at risk. My account is not very big, so normally I would not invest in such an expensive stock, but you taught me how. I told all my friends about Options University, and now they all want it. Thank you so much for being my coach. And this is from Teresa. So if you'd like to learn more about options and how to trade options profitably, Options University is a pretty good way to go. And just click the link below to find out more about Options University. Thanks for watching.